Communities here in Western Mass are now in the red, considered high-risk COVID areas, but one college town is now yellow.
Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis breaks it all down for us.
These are the communities in the western part of the Bay State that are in the red. It ranges from Springfield to Wilbraham to Montague. Wilbraham is a community that just went into the red zone, but as of Friday, Hampton and Wilbraham regional schools are still hybrid. Despite not serving a current high-risk community, Frontier Regional Schools went from hybrid to remote starting Friday. The superintendent saying on the school district's Facebook page on Thursday, "Given the surge in our greater community, this plan will help to minimize the risk to families and staff as we move into the winter break and will increase the likelihood that we can move back into the hybrid model in early January." They plan to be back in the classroom on January 4th. A town that went from red to yellow is Amherst. Also, Sunderland, where many college students live, is now in the green. The UMass fall semester is officially over, and many college students went home. Amherst Assistant Town Manager David Zomek tells Western Mass News, although he's not an expert on the data, college students leaving the area for winter break does impact the numbers.
That is certainly one of the factors that a lot of our students, particularly the University of Massachusetts, many of those students have left at the end of the semester to head home or wherever they're spending their time between now and February when UMass comes back in session.
Zomek says they're not breathing a sigh of relief after being in the red for weeks and going into the yellow. He tells me they're upping their vigilance.
We know COVID is out there. We know it's out there in some prevalence in our community and the region. So we're really kind of doubling down on our efforts to, help our residents and help our businesses to stay safe right now.
The assistant town manager adds, if you live in Amherst, do not get relaxed. Keep your guard up, wear a mask, and social distance. For Western Mass News, I'm Leon Purvis.